listen carefully, okay? All you have to do, what we're gonna have is to shake as long as you can. Nakasan mo? Anong amen? Ginagawa mong dasal. Okay, what's your name? Patrick, how old are you? What do you want to be? Wow, scientist. Okay, what is English of Jollibee? I said, what is English of Jollibee? McDonald's. How about gulay? Sarap. What is your favorite vegetable? Broccoli, nice. Pampahaba na han? Pampahaba na yun ang buhay. Alright. Say happy Christmas shake. Very long. Shake, 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 shake. No. Very long. Say happy Christmas shake. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,